let's start off with the room. Alright, so right now we are in the room. Used to be an office. We put a door there, threw a bed in, and all this furniture, and it really makes the room look really nice. And right here is the living room area. As you can see, we have some nice looking comfortable couches, a table, and a Samsung TV from Costco. I can't stress this enough, Samsung is a great company. And of course there's decorations around pillows, a plant, and other stuff. So now we moved on to the kitchen. As you can see, it looks really nice, really modern. I like the cabinets and the color they chose. And most of this stuff is also Samsung. And they also provided us with a huge island. And by the way, this is a brand new house. So when I say we, we're talking about the manufacturers. Alright, so this is the backyard. It's your average lawn, not too big, not too small. It's Florida. What else do you need? You're probably going to the beach or something, or some restaurant. So who cares about it? It's more about the house, not really about the lawn. It's about the air conditioning, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna go back in. So this is room number 2, decent sized room. And if you're wondering what the master is, I mean, this is already a really nice size. As you can see, it's all blue and stuff. We got some pictures of Florida. And this is room number 3. It's kind of a different style, kind of different, as you can see by the art and the different bedding. And let's move on to the bathroom. So it's an average sized bathroom, nothing special at all. So the master, we're not gonna show because that's not really part of the Airbnb. Neither is the garage. That's all personal stuff that we're gonna use and we're not gonna allow other people to go there. That's where we're gonna just crash when we come here to run it or just for fun. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you made it this far. See ya.